Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trailing stop loss in Tradovate. The first thing that we are going to do right here is we go here to ATM and select right here the wheel. Then right now we select here on, and then we do here the plus icon and we call this trailing stop loss. Then we do OK. And then right now what we're going to do is we select right here in ticks. And then we select right here TP plus SL. And then we select right here the stop loss type is a trail stop. So we will do this. Then we select right here also stop loss only. And now what we're going to do is we select right here how many ticks we want to stop loss. We can also do this in value or delta price. But right now when we think that 10 is fine, we click right here on save. And then right now what you will see, if we select right here the arrow, you see here that we created a trailing stop loss ATM filter, or yeah, that's exactly what it is, to create nice trailing stop losses for our trade. So right now what we're going to do is we go right here to trade, select right here advanced, and then right now what we can do is select right here and then select right here on the ATM name and select right here trailing stop loss. So now we have exactly the nice template that we already created for a trailing stop loss. Then right now we select the quantity that we want to buy, and now we click here on send and then we do buy, and now we created ourselves a nice position on the micro Bitcoin with a nice trailing stop loss. So you see right here that we created ourselves a nice trailing stop loss. So this is in a nutshell how you can set a trailing stop loss. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.